Many natural methods are effective in treating pimples within a very short time period. Here are the top 6 ways to get rid of pimples fast. 1. Ice. Ice can be used to quickly reduce the redness, swelling and inflammation of pimples. It helps in improving blood circulation to the affected area, and in tightening the skin pores and removing dirt and oil accumulated on the skin. 2. Lemon. Quick way to get rid of pimples is the use of lemon juice, which is rich in vitamin C. Lemon juice helps pimples dry up faster. Be sure to use fresh lemon juice and not bottled juice, which has preservatives. 3. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is excellent for treating acne and pimples. It has antibacterial properties that help fight the bacteria that cause these skin problems. 4. Toothpaste. The toothpaste that you use every morning to clean your teeth also can be used to treat pimples quickly. It is most effective when used following the ice remedy. You must use white toothpaste. Avoid using gel toothpaste. 5. Baking soda. Baking soda is another powerful home solution for dispose of pimples on the grounds that it encourages peel the skin to evacuate abundance oil and dead skin cells. 6. Garlic. Garlic is an antiviral, antifungal, antiseptic and antioxidant agent that can help in the fast treatment of pimples. The sulfur in garlic also promotes quick healing of pimples. For more such updates, please subscribe.